Spotify download for Mac. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download Spotify for your Mac. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to get Hulu with Spotify, both of those bundle packs and get them together, go to your browser and type in Hulu Spotify bundle. You'll find the first link from Spotify. It says Hulu with premium student plan. So click on the first link. So Spotify is currently giving you Hulu subscription along with their premium student plan. So right here for students, you can get discounted premium plus access to Hulu's with ads plan, all for $5.99 a month. Once you have got premium student, you can activate your Hulu plan from your services page, and you can't combine this offer with any other Hulu plans or add-ons, by the way. So to subscribe to it, you can simply click on the go to your account button over here, and once you've done that, when you go to your account, you'll be able to explore the plan and join their premium option. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.